Once he was the pride of the railway, carrying children and cargo with a smile. Now, only the waves remember his name.
Poor Thomas. He had been a very useful engine until the sea swallowed the railway and left him here to rust.
Here lies the engine once known as Thomas. Decades of salt and wind had transformed him into this skeletal relic of a bygone era. It was unmistakable. The famous engine, left for ruin, a monument to the relentless march of rust along this forgotten shore.
Decades of neglect had turned the famous blue engine into a rusty relic. Yet, there was hope on the horizon.
We deserve this break.
Submerged off the coast, the remains of the engine are barely recognizable. It is here that the painstaking process
A worker begins the painstaking process of removing the thick dust from the heavily damaged and rusted Thomas train face, long abandoned by the sea.
Now the worker carefully removes the fine dust from the damaged train body. This ensures a smooth finish when the new spray paint is applied.
The massive cranes slowly come to life, their heavy steel frames moving along the tracks. The workers attach the chain to the damaged, abandoned Thomas the Tank Engine, which rests very rusted by the seaside.
All right, hold it. Keep coming down, easy now, watch that side. And stop.
The workers labored to secure the derelict engine. The sea air had claimed its vibrant colors, leaving only rust and memories.
50 years he ran these tracks, carrying children and coal. Now, Thomas is just cargo.
Into the works they went. The troublesome truck wasn't happy about it, but Thomas knew Sir Topham Hatt would be pleased.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance. Okay, easy now. And stop, hold it there.
Keep it steady on your side.
The clearance is good. Watch the rust fall.
The gaps are perfect. Look at that alignment. Oh. Flawless, Ahmed.
Flawless, Ahmed. It's finally finished.